Welcome to Royal Mechanica. Today we are going to see how to place diffusers in HVAC drafting. Okay, so I have got a plan here. So this is room 1. This is room 1. So I have got a vertical distance you can see here. I have got vertical distance as 4.63 and horizontal distance as 8.1025. According to CFM, I need 3 supplier diffusers and 3 returner diffusers in this room. So how to place the supplier diffusers and returner diffusers in this room, let us see. First what we need to do is we have to take line command L and we have to see midpoint of 8.1025. So middle of 8.1025 divided by 2, it will be 4.05. So we have to take line from here, and distance should be 4.05 meters. Okay, join this like this. 6 sections we have to create for placing 6 diffusers, 3 return and 3 supply. We have to create 6 sections. So to partially we have divided, and here 3, and in this column 3 we are doing sections, and in this column 3 sections. So let us see again. We have to divide 4.63 into 3 parts. 4.63 into 3 parts. 4.63 divided by 3 is equals to 1.54. 1.54. So you have to take offset command 1.54, you have to enter. This is line 1.54, again 1.54. Now extend this line, ex double enter like this. Now you have to create six sections. We have created. Now you have to create diagonals. Again take line command from here to here and from here to here. And command from here to ortho, you have to off. Ortho mode you have to off. Now L command, again L command, just you have to create diagonal. Create it clearly like this. Similar, do it similar. Similarly you have to do. Now what you need to do is you have to, after doing all this, you have to place the diffusers. And last one, now you have to take supplier diffuser and place it here at the middle of the diagram, like this. First diffuser, second, third. See here, like this. Similarly, you have to place returner diffusers. Returner diffusers also you have to place like this. This is of 12 into 12 inches, both return and supply. Copy. See, this is of 12 into 12 inches. This is also of 12 inches. This is also 12 into 12 inches. 12 into 12, 12 and 12 into 12. So like this you have to place the diffuser. Now if you are having big area, so you have to first calculate number of diffusers, supply and return. After that you need to create that number of sections in that particular area. So I have created marking of the entire floor, so you can see in the near image, this image, as you can see here. I have created, this was our first room, 3 supply and 3 return. In this second room 1 supply and 1 return is there, and third room 1 supply and 1 return is there. So I have created, see here, I have marked all the things, and after marking you have to place the diffusers. So I will show you how it looks when we delete this, that is when we hide this line. I will hide this line off, so like this it will appear. After locating diffusers, both supply and return, you have to go for single line diagram, so it will look like this. So in this way you have to mark the location of supplier diffusers and return diffusers. So other videos regarding drafting of different ducts are there on my YouTube channel at Royal Mechanica. Do like, share and subscribe my channel at Royal Mechanica. Thank you.